Hi guys, time to make another video about the ATT. It's the ArcoLinux Suite tool, and we're at number 100. So if you get it in the update, that's the one. This particular tab has been rewritten so it works on ArcoLinux. That's where we are. Then on Alci, on Carli, on Ariser, and then Arch, and EndeavourOS and Garuda. So it's 7 of them, and it's all explained here. We have the possibility, our Ctrl-Alt-T, right, is Alacrity, and we have the possibility to change that, to have other themes. But there is also the XFCE4, and on many desktops, right, we have 28 of them, F12 gives us the drop down, and if you type in NeoFetch, you are told what it is. It's the terminal XFCE4 terminal. So if you want to change those, that's possible too. And we have started in ArcoLinux with a termite, and termite is still kicking, right? It's still working. We get updates and make packages for it. It works. So if you say, this is my thing, I started with this and I want to have it, want to keep it, fine. There's no issue with it. So unless something breaks, unless termite cease to exist, we'll keep it and support it because we have a nice drop down. There's so many beautiful terminals themes for termite. It's just a matter of clicking and then applying, and then we've tested already one thing. So termite might. I selected this one now. Okay, we can reset it so everything is blue again, and refresh the list if we have no updates. So install themes for termite, that's that. This is the XL. It means it has all of these already on the machine. So if you start with something very small, minimal, ArcoLinux D for example, or a B, right, and it does not contain a theme, then it's just a click away and it's installed. So that's termite for us. Now the next one is Alacrity. Install themes for Alacrity. So if it's not installed, then you click it, Alacrity is installed and all the rest, right? And here we give some information. We are installing this and this and this and this, if needed, of course. If it's already there, just we'll skip it. So Alacrity is by default on our systems. The thing is, type Alacrity themes. Why make something that is already beautiful in design? Look at that. The only thing you need to do is travel through all these, I don't know, I think around 200 of them, 200 of these choices. And depending on the wallpaper, maybe you say, I'm gonna go for this one. And this is arrow down, but there's also page down, page up, and now it goes a little bit quicker. Dracula is this one. Garuda is there as well, I see. Oh, let's have a look. Garuda Dragonized, right? So it's, if this is the thing, right, use it. Then just press enter. Has been applied successfully. So next time around, Ctrl-Alt-T, my Alacrity is set forever and ever and ever to have that kind of coloring. So that's Alacrity. You can reset Alacrity and say, okay, Ctrl-Alt-T, everything back to normal. And when we are on, let's a moment, pause a moment here. Voila. So, Alacrity reset. Yes, I see here, that's the last thing I did. So the next thing is these XFCE4 terminals, because it's awesome what you can do with an XFCE4 terminal, but you need to know the packages and then you need to know what to do. So, XFCE4, in the preferences, colors, presets, either you go to, well, you launch the application is something you could do, right? XFCE terminal, and a right mouse click can do anything. Miracles, right? Preferences, colors, and we have now lots and 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 lots. That's the B, and lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of choices. Okay, there we are, right? That's one way of doing things, selecting it here, or you can do Ctrl-Alt-M, which is launching this thing, and then you do XFCE4 terminal settings, right? And if I am on left WM, it will work as well, because it's not XFC related, not in a sense, right? It's for the application. So Alto light, and well, probably the light are white things. I'm not keen on white things. So let's do Atelier Forest, I suppose. It's gonna be something green, I don't know. And that's always the thing, right? Have a look. Oh, it's not green at all. Voila, forest it is. And if you want to set everything back, you can actually go in here and find it out, but there's a button, right? Reset. And now we have back our XFC terminal. You can actually type it from here, XFC4 terminal, and one opens another one. Everything is back the way it was. So that's a new tab. And the idea that this should work on all of our Arch Linux, these guys then, right? That's where it should work. Test it out, give us some feedback on Discord if something fails or doesn't work. We had to do something on Garuda. Garuda gives us a border at the bottom, a message that there's something wrong in the Alacrity theme. Maybe a little bit more technical, Control H. So config, here is your Alacrity JML. We make a backup. So if you say reset, whatever system you're on, if there is something, Garuda has something, then we'll make a backup of the Garuda one. Here is the reference of the default ArcoLinux, and here is the reference of what we found on internet. So GitHub, the developer himself writing the code. And I've just made a new package, so if you compare, it's just a few text things that we decide to have different. We want to have opacity and stuff like that. So you can go over with this melt thing to see what choice we made, because basically that's all it is. All the time we make choices. So can you. I think I've told everything now, except this line here. So that's something completely different. Super T, URXVT. All right, I'm out.